Ease of use. Man, you can even superset this. Doing some dips. Put them aside. Boom. Take the rings. Boom. What is up, guys? Welcome to Barrookie. Today's video, I want to get back to doing ring dips again, but I have one problem. My rings are now in a position for doing ring pull-ups. So what's the deal? Well, can't I just like undo the straps and put them lower so I can do ring dips? Actually, I can. And if you saw a previous video where I reviewed these specific rings, I talked about how nice the straps are, how the straps have these buckles that you can put in different sacks so that you can easily change the position of your rings. Turns out I'm still too lazy to change them because I have to undo everything and I don't wanna. I really don't wanna, guys. But here you can see that the rest of the straps are going upwards because, hey, they're in the way, and instead of rolling them up, I just put them on a hook over there. What if I take these straps from up top and I put them down and I add an extra set of rings? Yeah, that's how lazy we are, guys. And I'm not here to brag about how lazy I am. I'm here to talk about in the home gym, it's very important to make things accessible and to make things as easy as possible to introduce. That way you're going to actually use the thing. So go up here and do the carabiners. Boom. That gives us plenty of strap to actually do ring dips on. And this is what I was talking about. This is a very nice system. So you have all these pockets that are numbered, and then all you have to do is put this carabiner in one of the pockets. Boom. You do the same thing on either side, and you have a nice loop-de-loop where you can put your rings in. It's good in theory, but it's a lot of strap, especially if you do just ring pull-ups. And then if you want to do ring dips, you have to introduce all of that again. So, yeah, I wanted to make it easy on myself, guys. So let's put away the staircase and let's explore how we can do this dual setup. You see, the staircase, not a big hassle to put in and out. And that's why we use it. Now we have the straps hanging in here. I have a separate pair of rings. The rings are from Kansu. Okay, so after some tinkering around, this is what I came up with. So the rings are at one spot, right? Here on top. And then we have the strap that goes here with the buckle. I hope this one is going to be good for dips because this one is thicker. We're gonna see about that. And then we just put that here at 11, boom. For this one, we can go actually a little bit higher up. Boom. I think it is 9. This one too. And this looks like a very good setup. So I can do my ring dips. Boom. Oh, it's been a while, it's rusty. And then, if I want to do pull-ups, and let me put you a little bit higher up so you can see it better, boom, right? So even though here the ring now is touching the carabiner, if I pull on this, boom, the wood is no longer touching the carabiner, but it's touching the strap, and that's exactly what we want. And if I want to use the rings, all I have to do is, because I have a power rack here, and I have a pegboard here, boom. And these straps are not in the way by any means. Maybe visually a little bit, I don't know, it looks a little bit wonky, but ease of use. Man, you can even superset this. Doing some dips. Put them aside. Boom. Take the rings. Boom. All right. This is so epic. This is so awesome. Yeah, being lazy has its perks. Gonna spend more money, that's for sure. But to increase the flow between exercises, but also to make exercises more accessible. So now I can easily do ring dips without the hassle of undoing the straps, even though they're awesome. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. I hope it inspired you to get a dual ring setup. And I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace.